At the ongoing 19th Asian Games, robot dogs have been turned into porters of Javelin and the Discus. We are going to show you some cool footages of this robots when in action and at the end. We would like to hear your thoughts about this in the comment section. Robot dogs are four-legged robots that can perform various tasks and functions. They have been used as volunteers at the Asian Games in Hangzhou, China, which started on September 10th and will end on October 25th. One of the tasks that robot dogs have been doing is carrying discus back to the starting point after the athletes throw them. This is the first time in global sporting event that robot dogs have been applied to transport discus to replace manpower. Robot dogs have also been used for other purposes, such as checking power supply systems, guiding blind people, playing as hockey goalkeepers, and more. They are designed by a technology company in Binjiang, Hangzhou, and are known in the industry as quadrupedal robots.